Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pregnancy of about 25 weeks with partial placenta previa. Due to the placental tropotropism, the diagnosis of placenta previa is not usually made before 20 weeks. During the routine 18 to 21 week morphological scan, the distance between the lower edge of the placenta and internal os should be measured. Now you can see the fetal head. The fetus is in the cephalic presentation. Placenta previa is diagnosed through ultrasound either during the routine prenatal appointment or after an episode of vaginal bleeding. You had seen the pregnancy, the duration of pregnancy measures about 25 weeks. Most cases of placenta previa are diagnosed during a second trimester ultrasound examination. If there is placenta previa, when the cervix begins to efface, that is thin out and dilate, open up for labor, blood vessels connecting the placenta to the uterus may tear. This can cause severe bleeding during labor and birth, putting mother and baby in danger. Placenta previa treatment goals are to prevent bleeding and lessen the risk of premature delivery. More than 90% of time, placenta previa diagnosed in the second trimester corrects itself by term. You do not need to restrict your activities or undergo any treatment. Now you had seen the fetus is normal, echo-mecho-normal. There is no anomaly visible. The liquor is normal but is slightly turbid. Amniotic fluid is slightly turbid due to the presence of meconium into the amniotic fluid. You can see this is unibladder, this is placenta, and this is the fetal head. In some cases, the presenting head of the fetus, when the fetal movements are vigorous, the head may press hard against the lower end of the placenta, and this may cause periodic bleeding. Placenta previa occurs in 4 grades ranging from minor to major. Grade 1 is minor, that is, the placenta is mainly in the upper part of the womb, but some extends to the lower part. Now the grade 2, the marginal, the placenta previa reaches the cervix but does not cover it. This is the case here. In this case, the placenta is reaching the cervix but does not cover it. Grade 3 is major. The placenta previa covers the cervix. Now the placenta moves upwards, and this is often shows up in early ultrasound scan when it is called low-lying placenta. In 90% of the cases, the placenta moves upwards as the womb grows. For some women, however, the placenta continues to lie in the lower part of the uterus. After 20 weeks, this affects 1 in 200 births. Again, you can see the placenta, and the placenta is low-lying and slightly covering the os. Now you can see in this case, there are 2 bleeding points visible in the placenta where the bleeding had occurred or may occur, hopefully not. Now you will see the bleeding points. Now these are the 2 bleeding points where the bleeding from the placenta had occurred. For cases of placenta previa with minimum or bleeding, your doctor will like likely suggest bed rest. This means resting in bed as much as possible and only standing and sitting when absolutely necessary. You will also be asked to avoid sex and likely exercise as well. Now you can see the placenta is right lateral, but the lower end of the placenta is slightly covering the os. Vaginal bleeding after 20 weeks of gestation is characteristic of placenta previa. Usually the bleeding is painless, but it can be associated with uterine contractions and abdominal pain. Bleeding may range in severity from light to severe. Now you can clearly see the placenta is slightly covering the os. Acute care of bleeding placenta previa. An actively bleeding placenta previa is a potential obstetric emergency. These women should be admitted to the labor and delivery unit for maternal and fetal monitoring, and the anesthesia team should be notified. Placenta previa occurs when a baby's placenta partially or totally covers the mother's cervix. The outlet of the uterus, that is cervix. Placenta previa can cause severe bleeding during pregnancy and delivery. If you have placenta previa, you might bleed throughout the pregnancy and during your delivery. Now you can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks for watching.